Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Phantom wallet account icon. First thing you do is tap on the Phantom wallet to open it up. Then at the top, tap on the account name at the top left corner. Then tap on the pen icon at the right, and then tap on this icon again, the pen icon. And now we have two ways to change it. You can either pick from collectibles or for emojis. As you can see, I do not have any collectibles yet, so no collectibles, so I go to emojis. I choose the one I want. These are the options. So pick the one you want and tap on save. Now look at it, just change at the top here. See, it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.